Hi, I'm Todd Parmeter, co-owner of Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. I'm at a job site today with Ed Barker. And Ed Barker and his brother own Barker Brothers Construction. They're independent builders. They just happen to build quite a few Golden Eagle log and timber frame homes for our customers. I wanted to ask Ed a few questions today, hoping that maybe some more of you builders out there reach out to Golden Eagle and you'd like to build our homes for our customers. So my first question, Ed, how long have you been building Golden Eagle log and timber homes?
We've been building houses for 15 years now.
How many Golden Eagle log homes, timber homes do you think you've built?
We've built over 30 log and timber homes so far.
Okay. How long does it take to build a full log home compared to a half log home? A half log home usually has the 2x6 walls with the half log on the outside. Time comparison?
It is about the same. A full log house takes a little bit longer to put the walls up, but once you're done with the walls, the siding is already done on the exterior and the interior, so you save that time in the end.
I'm sure another builder out there might be wondering, geez, does Golden Eagle tell Barker's crew how much they have to charge, or do you set your own prices? So can you talk about that a little bit?
We deal directly with the customer on what the price is in order for labor to put the house up. So we collect the concrete bid, the electrical bid, the plumbing bid, and then we supply the own number for our labor. So Golden Eagle does not have anything to do with our set price for the house.
And then you're the general contractor?
Yes.
As a rule of thumb?
As a rule of thumb.
Golden Eagle is very well known for selling what the industry calls a complete package. Tell us about the complete package.
The complete package is very beneficial to us because it saves us a lot of time where we are not chasing for materials. When we need shingles, we call up Golden Eagle and say we need the shingles, and they bring the shingles out. The customer has already selected the color of the shingles, so I'm not spending my time talking to the customer about various selections at all.
Yeah, in fact, that's a good point. For the most part, you're not shopping for the customer at all. You know, they're getting their interior doors from Golden Eagle, they're getting cabinets from Golden Eagle, they're getting their windows from Golden Eagle, they're getting their closet systems from Golden Eagle, doorknobs, faucets, toilets, the whole works is generally what comes in the package. That's got to save you 100 hours a house.
It saves us a lot of time.
Okay, so builders are always interested in, geez, I wonder what their blueprints are like. Can you comment on how the Golden Eagle plans are compared to other people's plans?
They're very thorough. They are anywhere from 20 to 30 pages long, and it has a lot of detail on all of the walls, all of the windows, and the stairs, and any little detail you want to know about the railings is in the print.
Now, most builders don't start out as log home builders or timber home builders. They start out as conventional home builders, and then they make the jump from that to log homes. They might be wondering, geez, I wonder what the permitting process is like for a log home, for a timber frame home. Do you get much pushback on that, or do we provide enough information on the plans that it goes pretty well with the building inspector?
The first time an inspector sees plans for a log home, they question it a little bit, but once they look into all the detail of the plans and you explain it to them, there isn't any issue with getting a permit.
Do you have any advice for builders watching this video that might be thinking about giving us a call and getting into constructing Golden Eagle log and timber homes for Golden Eagle customers?
The first house will take you a little bit to get used to, but then after that, when you learn the process, it is very beneficial because of all the time that you save with Golden Eagle providing all the materials.
Thanks, Ed, for talking with us today and doing this video. And for you builders out there watching this video, please subscribe. There's more videos on their way, and there's other videos already out there. Feel free to comment in the comment section below the video, and thanks for watching.